Yo, what's good everybody? HOTKICK here, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing and basically opening my black cat fours that I got from HOTKICK. So you see right here, these are the black cats right here. Everything looks good, the box looks good. See size 11. You first open it, it has the top coming off box, has the right box, everything. Open it up, comes with all the StockX stuff. See right here, bring them out. See, they look nice, high quality like always. StockX tag. They're heavy too, so they feel nice. Like Jordan 4s are usually heavy. Come with the little crease thingy in the middle. Everything looks good in the shoe. Caging looks nice. Tongue isn't too fat. The back is good. Jordan looks good. Stitching looks good. Everything looks good. If you go close to the black light, you don't see any glue stains or anything. No glue stains, no nothing. Same thing on this one. Everything looks nice. It's only a little bit of hair. I don't know why. Everything does look nice. Yeah, everything looks good, bro. But yeah, I'm going to be doing 2 more videos. One's going to be an unfoot review. Other one's just going to be a review in general. So hope you guys did enjoy, and peace out.